I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to print out Fibonacci using recursive function. So here we're going to use a recursive function, and let's go ahead and create the function below the main function, and let that be int. Let's call that int Fibonacci. So int Fibonacci, and it's going to take a parameter of integer of x. Then let's go ahead and add the Fibonacci of x minus y, x minus 1 and x minus 2 by recursive calling of this function. Let's go ahead and say if x is equivalent to 0, if x is equivalent to 0, go ahead and return 0 and put a semicolon. Alright, else if x is equivalent to 1, if x is equivalent to 1, go ahead and return 1. Alright, so what if x is not equivalent to 0 or 1? Then else go ahead and return Fibonacci of x minus 1 plus Fibonacci of x minus 2. Go ahead and place semicolon at the end. So that is what we've returned. Now go ahead and copy this function name and go up below the namespace and paste it, put a semicolon at the end. Then let's move into the main function and go ahead and initialize the variable of x and let x be equal to 0 and y and put a semicolon at the end. So now let's request the user to choose. I'll go ahead and say insert number of Fibonacci series, or insert number of series. That is simple. So you can write anything you want here, and end line. So also go before that and say out and put this right here. Alright, so we're going to collect that and save that right inside y. Let's put that right inside y, and then we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and print out the result of the Fibonacci series. So go ahead and say the result of Fibonacci series is, so result of Fibonacci series is, then end line, and we're going to use a for loop to print out that because it's going to be multiple numbers, and go ahead and say int z is equal to 1 plus semicolon, and z is less than or equal to y plus semicolon, and then z increment. So go ahead and say cout, the output stream, and then call the function Fibonacci, and insert the value of x right in there, and then end line. So x has to increment until it prints out all the Fibonacci of the given number. Go ahead and run this code, and let's check it out. So insert number of Fibonacci, right, say 7, hit enter. So the result of the Fibonacci series is 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, and that is 7. So let's go ahead and make it to up to 20. So 20, and you can see that. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Oh, that is really too big. So go ahead and add this together, and you're going to get Fibonacci series of any number you want. Alright, so we've done this using recursive function. In the previous lecture we did that just the normal way we always do that, but here it's better you learn both sides. So go ahead and put this down on your system, play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.